This is a really simple tip to add emojis to brighten up your graphics in Final Cut Pro. And here's some examples. I'm going to add a texture background from the Generators browser and add that to a new project. I'll add this pinstripe background by pressing the E key. I'll fill the timeline window by pressing Shift-Z. Also, from the generators, I'll select the Elements category and add the shapes to the timeline with the Q key. In the inspector, I'll select the Generators tab and I'll click on the circle chevron to see these options. I'll select hexagon and now the arrow, and I can rotate that to point right. Anyway, I'll undo that and select the heart. I can change the fill color as well as the outline. Let's stick with this mauve fill. I'll adjust the drop shadow opacity, blur and distance. Outside and inside the outline. Now I'll add a default title with Ctrl+T. Select the title track in the timeline and select the title tab in the inspector. Now with the shortcut keys, Ctrl plus Command plus Space, I'll call up the emojis and symbols from the macOS character viewer. I'll drag the smiley with hearts into the inspector and resize that and drag it into position. Now I'll go back and change the outline to white and change the width. With all the possible backgrounds and the different emojis, your choices are almost endless. You can even add animations. Watch out for the next video showing you how to add split screens, and that's without any additional plugins, just using Final Cut itself. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell to be notified about that next video about split screens.